Jacob, what did you say? You're a superhero, you said? So how does the superhero go? How does the superhero go? Like that? Again, I couldn't hear you. Okay. Sorry. Am I bugging you? Okay. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. Okay. What are you doing? I thought you were making a castle.
I make this.
Oh, this is your castle too? What are you? You said you're a superhero?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Kid.
Your name's Kid?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cool name. And how do you go?
I should.
How do you go, Jacob?
Make this time.
How does the superhero go? How do you stand?
Yeah.